You don't need more vocabulary. You don't need perfect grammar. What you actually need is a system. Right now, your brain freezes because you try to build sentences word by word. That is slow, stressful, and confusing. But what if you could speak English without thinking so much? What if sentences came out automatically, like your native language? In this video, I will show you 5 powerful sentence patterns that can unlock your speaking instantly. Learn these once, and you can speak in any situation. Most people understand English but cannot speak it. Not because they lack knowledge, but because they lack structure. When you speak your native language, you don't think about rules. You use ready-made patterns again and again. English works the same way. Fluent speakers don't create sentences from scratch every time. They use simple sentence structures that fit almost every situation. That is the shortcut nobody teaches you. In this video, I will break down 5 powerful sentence patterns. You will learn how to use them in daily life, conversations, and expressing opinions. And once you master these, your thinking time will drop and your fluency will rise. Let's start with the first pattern. The I want to pattern. Speak what you need instantly. This is one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly sentence patterns you can use to start speaking immediately. The pattern, I want to, helps you express your needs, desires, and intentions in a very natural way. Instead of getting stuck thinking about grammar or searching for the perfect words, you begin with a simple structure that your brain can follow easily. This reduces hesitation and helps you speak with more clarity. In your daily life, this pattern becomes extremely useful because most of your communication is about what you need or what you plan to do. For example, you can say, I want to eat something, I want to go outside, or I want to take a break. These are simple sentences, but they are powerful because they allow you to communicate instantly without overthinking. You are not worrying about rules. You are simply expressing your thoughts. Now let's look at how this pattern works in conversations. When you are talking to someone, you often need to start speaking without delay. This is where I want to becomes your support system. You can say, I want to talk to you, I want to explain something, or I want to ask a question. These sentences help you take control of the conversation and keep it moving naturally. You can also use this pattern to talk about your goals and personal growth. This makes your speaking more meaningful and confident. For example, you can say, I want to improve my speaking, I want to become confident, or I want to speak English without fear. These sentences are not just for practice. They reflect your mindset and your direction. The real power of this pattern is that it removes pressure from your brain. You are not building sentences from zero every time. You already have a fixed structure, and you only need to change the last part. This makes speaking faster and more automatic, just like how you speak in your native language. If you start practicing this pattern daily, even for a few minutes, you will notice a clear shift. Your hesitation will reduce, your confidence will grow, and your speaking will start to feel more natural. This is how fluency builds, not by memorizing difficult words, but by mastering simple patterns that you can use again and again in real life. The I think pattern. Express your opinions clearly. Now let's move to the second powerful pattern, I think. This pattern helps you express your opinions, ideas, and thoughts in a simple and confident way. Many learners stay silent because they are unsure if their answer is correct. but this pattern gives you a safe and natural way to speak without pressure. In daily life, you use opinions all the time, even in small situations. For example, you can say, I think this food is good, I think this place is nice, or I think it will rain today. These sentences are simple, but they help you stay active in conversations instead of just listening. In conversations, this pattern becomes even more powerful because it allows you to share your point of view. You can say, I think you are right, I think we should try this, or I think this is a better idea. This shows confidence and also makes your communication more engaging. People respond more when you share your thoughts. You can also use this pattern to talk about decisions and suggestions. For example, I think we should start early. I think you should practice daily. Or I think this method will help you improve. These sentences make your speaking sound natural and useful in real situations. The biggest advantage of this pattern is that it reduces fear. You are not claiming something as a fact. You are simply sharing your opinion. This makes it easier for your brain to speak without overthinking or worrying about being perfect. Once you get comfortable using, I think, you will notice that your conversations become smoother. You will participate more, respond faster, and feel more confident while speaking. This is another step toward fluency, using simple patterns to express yourself freely without getting stuck. The I feel like pattern. Speak naturally and personally. Now let's move to the third powerful pattern. I feel like. This pattern helps you express your feelings, moods, and personal reactions in a very natural and conversational way. It is commonly used in real-life English, especially in casual conversations, because it sounds relaxed and human. In daily life, this pattern is perfect for expressing what is happening inside you at the moment. For example, you can say, I feel like resting, I feel like eating something, or I feel like going out. These sentences are simple, but they make your communication more real and relatable. In conversations, I feel like helps you share your personal experience without sounding robotic. You can say, I feel like this is not working, I feel like we need a break, or I feel like something is missing. This makes your speaking more expressive and connects better with the listener. You can also use this pattern when you are unsure but still want to speak. For example, I feel like he is not interested. I feel like this is a good idea, or I feel like we are going in the right direction. This allows you to speak without pressure, because you are sharing a feeling, not a fixed fact. The real strength of this pattern is that it makes your English sound natural, almost like your native language. You are not forcing perfect sentences. You are simply expressing what you feel in the moment. This reduces hesitation and helps your words flow more easily. If you practice using I feel like in your daily conversations, you will start sounding more fluent and confident. Your speaking will feel smoother, more personal, and more connected. This is how you move from basic speaking to real communication. The reason is pattern. Explain yourself clearly and confidently. Now let's move to the fourth powerful pattern. The reason is. This pattern helps you explain your thoughts, decisions, and actions in a clear and structured way. Many learners can say simple sentences, but they struggle when they need to explain something. This pattern solves that problem instantly. In daily life, you often need to give reasons for what you do. For example, you can say, I am tired. The reason is I did not sleep well. Or, I cannot go today. The reason is I have some work. These sentences make your communication more complete and easier to understand. In conversations, this pattern makes you sound more confident and logical. You can say, "I think this is a good idea. The reason is it saves time." Or, "I do not agree. The reason is it may not work in real situations." This shows that you are not just speaking, you are thinking and explaining. You can also use this pattern in discussions or when sharing opinions. For example, "I want to learn this skill. The reason is it will help my future." Or, "I prefer this method. The reason is it is simple and effective." This makes your speaking more powerful and convincing. The biggest benefit of this pattern is clarity. You are not leaving your listener confused. You are guiding them step by step. First your statement, then your reason. This improves both your communication and your confidence. If you practice this pattern regularly, you will notice a big change in how you speak. You will not stop after one sentence. You will naturally continue and explain your ideas better. This is a strong step toward becoming a fluent and confident speaker. Now you can see, speaking English is not about memorizing thousands of words or learning complicated grammar rules. It is about using simple sentence patterns again and again until they become natural. These 5 patterns can help you speak in almost any situation. Whether you are talking about daily life, sharing your opinion, or explaining your thoughts. The more you practice these patterns, the faster your brain will respond. You will stop translating from your native language and start thinking directly in English. That is the moment where real fluency begins. Do one simple thing from today. Pick just one pattern and use it throughout your day. Speak it out loud, create your own sentences, and repeat it in different situations. Small daily practice will create a big transformation over time. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It is about expressing yourself clearly and confidently. Keep practicing, keep speaking. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.